He ran to me. Immediately I just entered inside the class. So Kaito, let's go hug your mommy. I think the boys are super sensitive actually. Ah no, Neto is a sweet boy. Kaito's mom is making a video. It's not easy. It's not easy. Your content creation is one of the daunting things out there to do. That's why I usually tell people, like, you want to do YouTube, be ready. YouTube is not going to be started. Tell me, Neto, what is this? You cook soups, you cook stews, then you keep it in the freezer. Hey, mommy. That's a Goma spot, not a mommy spot. Okay. We sleep every time. Watch their status. So I'm not sure of that. This one, that one. It's not as a good person. Buy me money. I want money. I say, what do you want me to buy for you? Send me money, Joe. What's that? If you want to follow that day. Want to follow? Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Look. Good morning, ma. You're welcome to recession 1. You are a superstar. You are a superstar. You are a you are a superstar. Hey guys, good morning. Baby. No babies. Yeah, just wait, please. Baby. Hey guys, it is a beautiful. Chihuahua. I even need to do a video on baby. No baby is there. Will you keep quiet? It's okay. Leave her. Kaito. Is it Kaito? Baby. Yeah, go and get your baby. Mommy, Kaito. Is it Kaito? Mommy, Kaito. Okay. Mommy, I want to go Neto. Want to go Neto? Yes. Okay. Hey guys, Neto is Kaito's best friend. And I'm sure in the beginning of this video, you guys actually saw Neto's mommy. So much. I've received it. Yes. Wow. It's so much. Thank you. The 1 kg bell pepper is so much even. Yes. Thank you so much. I appreciate. Hello? Yeah? Okay. Thank you, love. The 2 of them. Alright, baby. The 2 new shoes. The 2 legs now. Okay. It's home alone with the children this weekend. And yeah. See, a closed mouth is a closed destiny. I put up on my Instagram story, I think about 3 weeks back, when tomatoes started rising, that please, oh, who stays in a place where tomato is cheaper? That you can imagine a custard paint of tomato right now is about 14,000 naira. And one of my followers reached out to me that I should have mentioned now that they have what they call it, like she has someone that actually can go to a farm and get these things fresh and will sell for cheaper prices for us. So she's showing me, look at the quantity of like 2,000 naira tomato she just got last week here. And I was like, okay, please, if you can, I would really appreciate. I would like to buy a lot. And she was like, okay, Bumsy, no problem. So since then, I just even forgot about it. I had purchased tomato. This is like after like 3 weeks, so I purchased tomato and no. back. Hmm? You want to follow daddy? Someone asked me during my life, he said, Bumsy, how is your weekend gonna go? This is how my weekend is going. But I'm just saying that, you know, some weeks passed and, you know, she kept following up. And voila! This morning, the tomato, bell peppers, chili peppers are in my house. And, you know, for 8 kg of the tomato, because it's a whole lot, for the 8 kg of the tomato, I got it for about 16,000. And then 1 kg of mixed bell pepper, I bought that one as well. And then chili pepper, 1 kg was 2,000. And no, I was just telling myself that if tomato ever go down again, tomato shombo tatashe ever go down again, I won't make the mistake of not like buying in bulk, blending and freezing it, because we use a lot of tomatoes in this house, especially with Kaito and his jollof rice requests every now and then. We use a lot of tomatoes in this house. So I'm just telling myself that if tomato ever, Kaito, open the door, if tomato ever go down again, I am not, you know, taking any chances. I would go and stock up for moments and times like this. I mean, for seasons like this, I will just go and stock up, even if it's a big basket. I'm not even going to look for who will share with me. Thankfully that we have this fridge, and this fridge is working. In fact, this is overvalue for your money. The fridge is working very well. So yeah, you guys, let me just call my sister. Let me call my sister, because my sister, anything she has, she's always sharing with me. So let me send her off tomatoes, bell pepper and chili pepper. Ma, good morning.
Morning. Papa.
Will you send Gokada to come and pick up?
Okay, let me send it.
Problem.
Also, when I try to do that, but delivery.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah, just tell me what I should put on it. So I'll come up.
You say you want potato, Abi? It's only sweet potato I have.
I don't mind. Sweet potato, I don't mind.
Okay, no problem.
Alright. Okay.
Alright, send it. You guys, let me go and sort out my sister's own. I think I'll just pinch out small. Pinch out small and maybe send to Uzo. Uzo says she wants onions, and I have big baskets of onions at home. So let me just sort out a little thing, send to my sister. But let me show you guys the quantity of what I got.
Mama, tomato.
Yeah, tomato.
Tomato.
Woo! Tomato is the new gold.
But I want to take your first and start.
Oh yeah, remove your hand from my camera. And these ones are like big ones, so.
Mommy, no, mommy, don't touch in the mouth.
Because you're seeing my
This is red.
yeah, right. Oh yeah, wait. Hello? Oh yeah, bring the pepper.
Mommy, don't not pepper.
There is pepper.
Mommy, it's not opening.
It's opening now. Excuse me. Oh, Kaito, stop that. Excuse me. I'm busy.
Mommy!
Wow! Woo! This is chili flakes. This is another chicken flakes. This is another brand of pepper that I love. Ah, wow!
Mommy, this is Ponino.
This is what?
Ponino.
Ponino.
Okay, cheap mama.
What is that?
Oh, potato.
Potato.
Yeah. Oh, potato. No, by my potato. Mommy, what potato? Mommy, what potato?
Oh, now only Mama day. Eh?
Mama! Mommy, please give me potato, please.
You don't want jollof rice again?
Mommy, please give me potato.
You don't want jollof rice again?
Mommy, jollof rice.
You are just confused, this boy.
Mommy, no potato.
Okay, no problem. No, or yes.
Mommy, no potato.
So guys, you guys can see all that I just unboxed. Grateful, you know yourself, you would watch me. Thank you so much. Did you hear that? There's scotch egg and meat pie. What is it now?
Mommy,
What is it?
Mommy, open the door.
No problem. You guys, I told you that we are, what they call it?
Grass square bread.
You want cupcake? You guys, daddy is here to make us happy because this weekend is a no cooking weekend.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Mama, do you want cake?
Thank
Okay, that's yours. What do you say?
you.
Thank you. Mama, do you want cake?
Yes.
Okay. Mama gets the big one.
Yum. Yeah.
Mommy, Andy.
You want empty? Okay. You guys, it's not a cooking weekend because it's just the both of us with our children.
Andy.
Hmm?
Mommy, call Andy.
So Taito has eaten. He has eaten a plate of. He has eaten a plate of jollof rice already. I even brought out some tomato. I said I was going to cook jollof rice. But my husband came back with a lot of cooking. We're still unboxing. He came back with a lot of cooking and salad, carrots, and some other things for salad. So possibly just make salad later this evening and then maybe now cook tomorrow. But yeah, it's a weekend with our children and just us. Well,
We're gonna enjoy it.
and we're going to enjoy it. Literally, we're going to enjoy it.
Guys, there's popcorn. Children.
Baby, check the internet now if it's working.
We can't know that because they were doing maintenance.
Hey guys, by the time you just run around children and just do everything, it is nightfall already. But midnight, and my husband is just ironing for church today technically, and I just got done with, I know I said that it is all takeout, but I just said to myself that instead of coming back tomorrow and start cooking and prepping like Kaito's lunchbox food and different things, let me make jollof rice, a lot of jollof rice, and store in the fridge. I'll show you guys. I made a very big pot of jollof rice. Let me show you guys. Yeah. Woo! I made a very big pot of smoky jollof with a little bit of my tomato, but the children are sleeping. They will sleep in our room this night because our children that once they just reach like 3 o'clock or 3 a.m. in the morning, Kaima has jumped up for her bottle of milk, and then we start looking for mommy and daddy. Mommy. I don't want, and nobody is there to actually just assist and attend to her, so it's better for all of them to just, both of them to sleep in our room. And I think they, in fact, and they will sleep longer actually, because when Kaima tries to wake up without her 3 o'clock, she still wakes up for milk. See, her bottle of milk is already beside me. She still wakes up for milk, but this is hot chocolate with Milo, right? When she wakes up and she's just nodding her head and shaking her head, I know the trick is that just pat her at the back, give her the milk even with sleep, and she will drink the milk and then sleep back. Yeah, you guys, look at them, they've slept off. Me, I will just shower now and just, you know, go to bed, wait for my husband to be done ironing, and maybe just a little bit I will go to bed. Tomorrow is church. I'll see you guys
the next day.
Hey guys, it is a beautiful Sunday. I hope you guys are going to church. Are you? What is it?
Hi.
Hi friends.
This is me.
Oh yes, say hello.
Hello.
Oh yeah, wait, let me take you guys up. Come this way. I tell you, come this way. Baby, where are you? Where's your face?
I need to.
You have to shift your head. Hi. Can you come closer? Hello. Who's Neto? Anyways, guys, you guys, we're off to church. And I will end out this vlog here.
Mommy.
Let me take the children to church. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, please leave me a thumbs up. Baby, you made the milk. You put Milo. Okay. Just getting the children ready, getting their bag, everything ready for church. It's not easy, yes. But anyways, guys, I'll see you guys in my next vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Keep on watching, keep on supporting your girls so that I will keep putting new and exciting videos for you guys. I'll see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Mommy, bye, mommy.
Okay.